All right, guys, check it out. Pumpkinhead. Look at this guy. So there's a new carvers page on Facebook. Jordy Johnson created, and there's a carver on there. Dude, if you're watching this, I'm sorry, I can't remember your name, but he carved up one of these guys, and I was like, that thing looks awesome. Okay. On top of that, Jordy's been carving pumpkin men, and Just Carve Rob has been carving pumpkin men. I'll leave links to their channels because those guys have some really good channels. So, you know, you don't always have to watch a chainsaw carving channel to be inspired to carve something cool. All right, guys. You know, I do a lot of chainsaw carving and a little bit of power carving. My buddy Jordy does a lot of power carving and a little bit of chainsaw carving. But you know what? The techniques and things that he does are different than what I do, but I'm still able to apply them to the things that I'm creating. So those two channels are really good. I'll leave their links down below so you guys can check them out. Just Carve Rob as well. He makes a lot of smaller pieces, uses power carving tools, and sorry Rob, but I think he whittles, like uses knives as well. And he's, again, another guy that makes some really cool stuff that inspires and can help get the juices flowing for ideas. All right, guys. So I saw them making some cool stuff. I was like, man, I should probably make one of those, a little pumpkin man. He's pretty neat. And then I got on Facebook on a new carver's chainsaw page and saw a guy created pumpkin man. And I was like, I gotta make one. That guy looks awesome. I gotta make one of my own. And so here he is. And it was really fun carve. But today we're gonna pick that log up I just kicked across the yard here, and we're gonna carve one. I'm gonna carve one for you guys, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let's start making some sawdust. All right, guys, check them out. Another pumpkin head. I really like when the paint just runs down the front. I think it looks really, really cool. Come on, let's check him out. Let's check him out. Let's check him out. Ooh, boy, this dude is spooky. So instead of doing a green shirt, I kept it brown to match the stem. The burning of the wood really adds some cool highlights to that orange. Ah, man, this guy looks so cool. Here's the other one. Let's go see that other one. Boom. See, we did the brown stem with the green shirt. Eating a little bit of his friend there that came flying off. Apparently these guys are cannibals. It's kind of weird. I don't know. Got some other ideas for creating these guys in the future. And I think we might do, I don't know, some more videos creating these guys doing some different stuff, because I don't know. Because I think they're pretty cool. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video carving up this pumpkin head. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Also, check out all the social media links and things that I have down below in the description. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.